Now let's see how we solve problem S1 in Java code. So first we process the input. We declare a scanner object on system input stream, and then we read in the number of villages, and then we declare the points array for the villages, and then we do a loop with the number of villages, and we read in the location for each village. And then as the points for villages are not ordered, so here we call arrays sort to sort the numbers we read from the input. And then we do the calculation. We declare double left size and right size, and we declare the smallest size. And then we do a loop in the villages except the leftmost one and the rightmost one. And then for each village in between, we calculate the difference to the left, and then the size to the left, and also we calculated the difference to the right and the size to the right, and put the left size and right size together, and that's the size of the current village, and we compare it with the smallest size. And if the size of the current village is smaller, then we set the smallest size to the size of the current village, and then we process the next village. After this loop, we have the size of the smallest village stored in this variable, and then we need to do the output. Here we use a string format function to format this double number and put one digit after the decimal point. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Now let's test it. Now the program is running, and we test it against the sample from the problem. And here we give it 5, 16, 0, 10, 4, 15, and press enter. And now you can see that we get 3.0 as the size of the smallest village, which is the same as in the output from the sample. And so our program is running correctly. So this is the code to get the size of the smallest village, and this is a solution to problem S1. And okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. And if you like the video, please thumb up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll have videos for more problems soon.